Hello everyone, it's Diane, or welcome, or if you've been here, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for still being here and for your continuous support. Different, as you guys can see, I have a couple boxes here, which is my Vittsjo shelf. I received it yesterday, and since you reached out to me to see if I wanted to try some of their products, which I do have some of their lightings. Well, I have one of their lightings, and they were kindly enough to send me one light. I purchased the other light, which I'm gonna be showing you guys later on in the video, and also installing those lightings. And so one of these packages, I believe it's this one. I bought magnet adhesive so that I can put the Sansi lights that I currently have, because the adhesive ended up falling off. So I decided to buy these and see how they work out. Hopefully they can stick. Well, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be putting those lights underneath my bookshelf or if I'm gonna leave them where they currently at. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna build my Vittsjo shelf first, and then I will assess everything else. I know that I bought something else, not planty related, that it should be on this box. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is not safe, Diane. Oh, yeah. I bought Leica because I'm trying to do an experiment. So yeah, that's not for this video, but the magnets are. I also opened up the box that Sansi sent to me because I had forgotten what I was supposed to get in the mail, and when I received the box, I was like, what the heck did I order this time? So yeah, that is the reason why I ended up opening this box. But we're gonna get into the lights later on. This is the other light that I actually purchased. And we're gonna get into the whole Vittsjo shelf. Wish me luck, because Ikea's furniture, they're a pain in the ass to assemble. Oh, by the way, I ended up taking the rug out of here, and I'm just gonna throw that out because it's very hard to maintain. It's a very light pink, almost white looking rug, and yeah, it just wasn't working for me. So I'm gonna see if I can find another rug that's like similar to this shade. I don't know, we will see. Oh, is it dirty? I hope it's dirty and not scratched. Ay, me pisó el pie. Okay, I found the instructions. All right, so I'm just gonna time lapse this because I know this is gonna take quite some time, and I'm gonna start listening to my audiobook. I'm listening to the girl, I believe it's the girl who was taken by Charlie Donlea, not sure how to pronounce his last name. But yeah, just hope you guys enjoy. Hey Siri, play Audible. So it's the next day. Unfortunately, the audio from yesterday's clip, I don't know what the heck happened to it. I don't even know if my microphone was on, but I'm just filming this again. So this is a part of the video where I'm going to be talking about the Sansi lights. Sansi reached out to me to see if I wanted to try a couple of their lights for free. So one of the lights that I'm going to mention in this video was sent to me for free by Sansi. No, this video is not sponsored, but I do have an affiliate link of which I'm going to leave down in the description below, as well as my code, which is Diane. I'm going to pop it here on the screen. I do own the Sansi LED puck light, just a regular one, the one that has the on and off button. They ended up sending me the Sansi LED puck grow light with timer and dimmer. So the only difference between the one that I currently own and the one that they send me is just the timer and the dimmer. So I did unbox and set up everything yesterday. Unfortunately, once again, the audio is not good, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I ended up setting it up, whether I like them or not. I mean, they've only been here for a day, so, but whether I like them or not. And I am going to be showing you guys the installment of the second grow light that I ended up buying, which is the Sansi TA 25 watts LED grow lights. Okay, so in here I have two of the lights. These are the puck lights. Those are the ones that Sansi ended up sending me. And then right on the bottom, I have the ones that I currently own. I did get a timer just so that they can shut off by itself. The only bad thing about it is that they're not dimmable. So that's just the way they are. But the one on the top, I have a mess back here, which I did purchase one of those cable boxes so that I can hide all the cables. But this is the control box that's for the lights. As you guys can see, it does have the on and off button, as well as the settings for the timer. It has, you can set it up for 4 hours, 8 hours, or 12 hours. So the way that you work the lights is you press the on and off button to obviously turn it on or shut it off, but you have to hold the button down for it to shut off. Then once you turn it on, they automatically pop up with the lowest settings, so you can adjust it. It has 4 different settings. That's the second one, that's the third, that's the fourth, and it goes back to the first. And the way you change it is just by clicking the on and off button once. You just click it and it will automatically change. And then to shut it off, once again, you just hold the on and off button and it automatically shuts off. So obviously I do like these a lot more, and the only reason is because I can actually adjust the timer and dim settings. So I did put Hoyas in all of the cubbies, so we're gonna see how this works out and if I can get them to sun stress. I bought this one, which is a T8 grow light. So it comes with the hooks. It comes with a nut with the hooks and these peas. So the way that you attach it is just by clipping it. Pull a little bit on it, because I did the mistake yesterday of holding it and the whole thing just came out. It wasn't securely attached to the light. So just like the other grow lights, it does come with a controller box. It has the on and off button and the automatic timer for 4 hours, 8 hours, or 12 hours. Both boxes came with a certificate warranty and straps, and the manual as well, which I already ended up throwing out. Listen, I am not measuring if this looks even or not. I'm just going based by how it looks to me. Okay, so I am gonna be hiding the cord. Once again, with the remote, you can control the density of the light, that is as higher as it goes, and you can also control the timer. One thing I do like about this grow light is that it's so lightweight. I can't believe how lightweight that grow light is. So once again, thank you, Sansi, for sending me the lights. Also, I'm going to leave the link down in the description below, as well as my code, which is Diane. You get a 32% discount on site. And we have made it to the end of the video. If you liked and enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate you guys spending the time with me. Be sure to be subscribed if you haven't already do so. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you every time I upload a new video. I upload videos every Sunday at 3 p.m. EST time, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.